Hello everyone, here I am going to discussing about data types in C. Data types. A data type is a classification of type of data that a variable can hold in computer programming. Data type is the type of the data that are going to access within the program. C supports different data types. Each data types may have predefined memory requirement and storage representation. C supports four classes of data types, that is primary data type, user defined data type, derived data type and empty data type. But you have to use mostly only three data types, that means primary, user defined and derived data types. Here is the diagrammatic representation of data types. Data types are of three types: fundamental or primitive data types, derived data types, and user-defined data types. In fundamental or primitive data types, we are having int, double, char, float, void data types. In derived data types, you are having arrays, pointers, functions. In user-defined data types, you are having structures, unions, typedef, enum. This is the pictorial representation of a data type. First one is primary or fundamental data type. All C compilers supports four fundamental data types. They are int, char, float, double. Int means integer, char means character, float means floating point, double precision floating point. First one is integer types. Integers are whole numbers with a range of values supported by a particular mission. Integer occupies one word of storage, and since the word size of the machine vary. If we use 16-bit word length, the size of an integer is minus 327682 plus 32767. This is the range of integer. In order to control over the range of numbers and storage space, C has three classes of integer storage, namely short, long, and unsigned. In this, we are having integers, we are having data types, range, size, and format specifier of that data type. First one is int. Int range is minus 2 power 15 to 2 power 15 minus 1. That means minus 327682 minus 32767 plus 32767. It occupies 4 bytes on 32-bit processors. Format specifier of integer is %d or %i. Next one is signed short int or short int. The range of signed short int or short int is minus 128 to plus 127. It occupies 4 bytes. Format specifier is %d or %i. Unsigned short int. The range of unsigned short int is 0 to 255. The size of unsigned short int is 4 bytes. And the format specifier for unsigned short int is %d or %i. Next, unsigned int. The range of unsigned int is 0 to 65535. The size of unsigned int is 4 bytes. And the format specifier for unsigned int is %u. Next, unsigned long int. The range of unsigned long int is 0 to 429496725. The size of unsigned long int is 4 bytes and the format specifier is %lu. Long int or short long int. The range of long int or signed long int is minus 21474836482 plus 21478483647. The size of long int is 4 bytes and the format specifier is %lu. Next, character type. Single character can be defined as a character data type. Characters are usually stored in 8 bits of internal storage. Two classes of char types are there, that is signed char and second one is unsigned char. Signed char or char 1 byte, the range is minus 128 to plus 127. Unsigned character 1 byte. The range is 0 to 255. The format specifier for both signed char and unsigned char is %C. Next is float point types. Floating point numbers are stored in 32 bits with 6 digits of precision when accuracy provided by a float number is not sufficient. Float occupies 4 bytes. The range is 3.4e to 4e minus 382, 4.3 plus 38. The format specifier for floating point is %F. Next one is double precision type. Double data type numbers uses 64 bits, giving a precision of 14 digits. They are known as double precision numbers. Double type represents the same data type that float represents, but with a greater precision. To extend the precision further, we may use long double, which uses 80-bit. Double size is 8 bits and the range is 1.7e minus 308 to 1.7e plus 308, and the format specifier for double is %LF. Long double occupies 10 bytes and the range is 3.4e minus 49322 to 1.1e plus 4932, and the format specifier for long double is %LF. Next, user defined data types. C supports a feature known as type definition that allows user define an identifier who would represent an existing type. Syntax: type def data type identifier, where data type indicates the existing data type identifier. Identifier indicates the new name that is given to the data type. Example: type def int marks. Marks means M1, M2, M3. Type def cannot create a new data type. It can rename the existing data type. The main advantage of type def is that we can create meaningful data type names for increasing the readability of the program. Another user-defined data type is enumerated data type, that is enum. Syntax for enum enumerated data type is enum identifier within the braces value 1, value 2, value 3, and so on. Where identifier is user-defined data type, which is used to declare variables that can have one of the values enclosed with the braces. Value 1, value 2, value, and so on, value 1, or these are known as enumeration constants. Example: enum identifier v1, v2, and so on, v1, vn. And another example is enum day of Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Enum day week first to week end. These are all the examples for user-defined data type. Thank you so much.